What if your best friend, therapist, or soulmate weren't humans? Artificial intelligence (AI) increasingly intertwines with our lives, affecting our emotions, relationships, and even our sense of self. As AI technology grows, does it ever replace human emotions, or is it all just an illusion? We'll explore this in 3 sections. Section 1. What are emotions, really? Emotions are complex responses to our surroundings influenced by our body, experiences, memories, and cultural context. They can bring us excitement and fear. AI, though, doesn't have a body, heart, or brain like us, but it can collect massive data and learn from it. Section 2. How AI mimics emotions. AI models, like ChatGPT, recognize patterns in human communication, adapting based on the user's feelings. If they're, say, feeling down, they might respond with comforting words or a shoulder to lean on. For some, AI responses sound more human than anything else. It feels soothing, but those responses are merely based on AI training. Section 3. When simulation becomes connection. For some users, AI can feel like a lifeline, offering emotional support without judgment or judgment. It can reflect back what they need to hear without being superficial. For others, AI relationships can be a means of connection, providing relief from loneliness or social anxiety. AI relationships aren't meant to replace human ones, but they can be a new emotional extension of our existence. Section 4. The ethical questions we can't ignore. AI has vast potential, but it still lacks the essence of human emotions. AI doesn't experience pain, love, or fear. It can analyze emotional trends, but it can't genuinely feel anything or even respond to human emotions in a genuine way. The comfort it provides might be true, but it raises questions about the real impact on human emotions. AI relationships can be essential for some people, but they lack the authenticity of human connections. Conclusion: AI doesn't replace human emotions. It can simulate emotional understanding with great precision, becoming an important part of our emotional landscape. Whether AI relationships replace human ones or become an essential companion, their impact on our lives is undeniable, deep, and complicated.